Money never make you rich in your life. Money never give you happiness in your life. Only blessings of your parents or smile on your parents' face will make you rich or happy in life. If you take care of your parents, if you always care about your parents, or you give your best in your relationship, special with parents, you will definitely become a millionaire. And if your parents are always smiling and they are happy and they are satisfied from your side, it means you are billionaire. Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about Sun transit in Taurus from 14th May 2021 to next 30 days. This 30 days, Sun, king of astrology, king of all planets, Sun transit in Taurus sign, which is not a comfortable sign for Sun, because Taurus sign ruled by Venus, and Venus and Sun, these both are totally enemy planets from each other. But plus point is Sun transit in Taurus with Venus, Mercury and Rahu till 28th of May. Venus also transit in Taurus sign, and after 28th of May Venus enter in Gemini, and Sun still in second house till mid of the June. So you know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen to my video. You will definitely get some information related to your upcoming Sun transit in Taurus for 30 days. Let's talk about Aries Ascendant. Aries Ascendant, first of all, I'm going to talk about your health. Your 5th house lord transit in your 2nd house, conjunction with Venus, Mercury and Rahu. Sun is axis in Rahu Ketu. You need to be careful about your health or about your father health. You need to be careful while eating oily food or junk food. Stomach related trouble will irritate you. Backbone related trouble will irritate you. You need to be careful, because your 5th house lord Sun transit in your 2nd house and Taurus sign, and Sun is not comfortable here. Let's talk about your finance and business. For business and finance, you will get some opportunities, because 2nd house is a house of your savings. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend, there is no doubt, and you will get a lot of opportunity to expand your business. You will get a lot of opportunity to expand your horizon. If you're willing to invest your money somewhere, this is the right time. You may invest, but you need to be careful while signing any papers, any documents or any type of investment. You need to check thoroughly, you need to check properly or deeply. Then you go to start any new venture, because Sun is again axis with Rahu Ketu, natural malefic planet, conjunction with Rahu and aspecting from Ketu from your 8th house in your Ashtam Bhav, which is not very promising for you. You need to be careful. Someone may cheat you, someone may give you false hope, or someone may committed something else and deliver you something else. This whole time, Aries, you need to perform your best and maintain a good balance between your family and your professional life. Try to use good words, don't show your ego or attitude, otherwise you will be a part of any problem. Try to pay your bill or taxes on time, otherwise you will be a part of any litigation. This whole time from 14th May 2021 to next 30 days, you need to be careful. You need to be careful while dealing any new contract. You will get a lot of opportunities, there is no doubt. Cash flow will make you happy, there is no doubt, but you need to be careful while signing any document or showing your trust on anyone. Overall, this whole transit of Sun on next 30 days from 14th May will give you lot of gains, financial gains, and you will earn a lot of good respect if you plan everything according to your birth chart. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Your 4th house lord transit in your 1st house. Your aggression will rise. Your health will be a matter of concern. You are not in a comfort zone. You are feeling very low or disturbed. You will have everything, but after that you are not mentally happy, because your Sun, Venus, Mercury and Rahu transit in your 1st house. It will create a lot of unbalancing situation. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while start anything new, or don't invest your money anywhere. Otherwise you never get back, because Sun 7th aspect is on your 7th house. A 7th house is a house of your open enemies, your life partner or your business partner. This whole 30 days from 14th May 2021 to next 30 days, you need to be careful while signing any documents, and you need to be careful while talking with your spouse or your loved one. Your partners will create a lot of problem in your professional life. You are not happy from your partner performance. This whole time, Taurus, you need to be patient, because your aggression will create a lot of panic situation. Your arguments or your aggression will create a lot of problem in your life with your partners, with your loved one, with your husband. You need to be careful. If you are trying to switch off your job, this is not a right time. If you are already switch off your job, then you need to perform your best to get fantastic results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. You are not happy, you are not feeling good. But overall, these 4 planets transit in your first house will give you relief, because first house ascendants play a big role in birth chart. Mercury, Venus is a ruling planet, beneficiary planet as per Taurus ascendant. So you will blessed with a lot of gains. You will blessed with a lot of new source of earning will develop. You will enjoy a second part of the you can say first part of the June very good. From 1st June to 15th June, you will enjoy very good health, and you will enjoy very good source of earning, and your seniors will also satisfied. But overall, you need to be careful while start anything new. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Sun transit in Taurus sign in your 12th house with Venus, Mercury and Rahu. You need to be careful. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, this is a very good time. But if you are applying for your PR or your work permit through any agent, then you first check the goodwill of that agent, or you need to focus on your things, because you will get a lot of opportunities related to foreign job. You will get a lot of opportunities related to foreign investments. This whole time brings a lot of happiness related to foreign activities. If you are importer, exporter, if you are any type of businessman or investor, you will definitely earn a lot of name, fame, and you will easily get visa, work visa or investor visa in foreign land. This is the right time to settle in foreign land. From 14th May to next 30 days will be a very rewarding and very precious for you if you are willing to settle in abroad. Otherwise, unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling happy. You are not feeling you are not in a comfort zone, because 4 planet transit in your 12th house, which is a house of your unexpected expenditures. You need to be careful. You need to be careful about your father health. You need to be careful about your wife health. Your spouse health will be matter of concern. From 14th May to next 30 days, you need to be careful about health of your any family member will be matter of concern, and your money will spend on hospitalization. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, Sun, Venus, Mercury, Rahu transit in your 11th house. Your source of earning will develop. It will create a Dhani Yoga. Your second house lord transit in your 11th house. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of name, fame. You will earn a lot of reputation from your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You are trying to perform your best, and you will get fantastic results. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind, success, a very good relation with siblings, a very good time you will spend with your siblings, with your friends, or your love life will be good. This whole time you will enjoy a lot of peace of mind, lot of comforts. Some unexpected gains are there, monetary gains are there, and you will enjoy all round success. You just need to perform your best, put your 100% energy at your workplace. You will definitely blessed with a lot of achievements, Cancer. The more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get benefit result. You will get a lot of good result from higher authority after 14th May. Your all pending work will click. If you are unemployed, you will get job. If you are already in business, you will bless with a lot of profit. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind, success, happiness. A lot of gains are there. You will blessed with a lot of support from your family, from your siblings, from your parents. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Your ascendants lord transit in your 10th house with Venus, Mercury and Rahu. You will blessed with a new business deal. Health of your father will be a matter of concern, but after taking some precautions or after taking some medicine, your father health will be fine, and advice of your father will be a biggest game changer act for you. This whole time from 14th May to next 30 days will be a highly rewarding and beneficial period for you, Leo. You are trying to perform your best and you will bless with a lot of gains. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind, success. You will get name, fame, position at your workplace. If you are an employee, your senior will be satisfied from your performance. You are trying to perform your best and you will get fantastic results. This whole time you need to perform your best, because this time never come back when you are ascendant slot transit in your Karam Bhav, in your 10th house. You may get some big gift from your father's side. You may get some inheritance from your father or grandfather's side. Blessings of your father will be a biggest game changing act for you. Must read Aditya Hriday Stotra every day morning. Must go for Surya Namaskar every day morning. And don't try to eat non-veg. Don't try to drink alcohol. I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendant, Sun transit in your Navam Bhav. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money, gain through journeys. You will enjoy a lot of peace of mind. Good fortune is in your favor, but some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Don't try to be a part of any argument or any problem at your workplace or at your home. Try to ignore any arguments. Just focus on your work. You will definitely get good results, because 4 planet transit from 14th May to next 15 days in your Navam Bhav. Good fortune is in your favor. You will bless some unexpected monetary gains from foreign land. You will bless with a lot of gains, lot of tie-ups are there. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendant, Sun transit in your 8th house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful. If you are willing to switch off your job, this is not a right time. Don't eat oily food. Don't eat junk food. Give some respect to your spouse. Try to give respect to your in-laws, because your relationship with your in-laws will be affected. If you are a researcher, yoga teacher, astrologer, professor, any type of researcher, you will definitely be blessed with the unexpected gains. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind, lot of gains if you are a yoga teacher or any type of spiritual person. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants, your 10th house slot transit in your Saptam Bhav. If you are unmarried, you may get new, you may be in a new relationship. You may meet someone as a life partner, or your living relationship or love relationship may convert in marriage, because Sun, Venus, Mercury and Rahu transit in your 7th house. Your spouse may be from far away place from your land, may be far away from your country or your state. You will get a lot of business opportunities. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Your partners will be satisfied. If you are already married, your spouse will support you. But health of your spouse will be matter of concern, because Sun is not comfortable in Saptam Bhav. You need to be careful. Try to go for the Surya Namaskar every day morning, and must touch feet of your father before start your day. This whole time brings lot of gains, lot of unexpected money, and your bank balance will full of gains, and you will earn lot of name, fame, prosperity. This whole time brings lot of success. You just need to perform your best, because this period, if you want to start anything new as an investment, if you want to start any new business with partnerships, very fruitful time for you. Scorpio, you just need to perform your best. You need to be careful while driving, because your ascendant slot is in your 8th house. Overall, this whole time brings a lot of peace of mind. Gains are there, or foreign journeys are there. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants, Sun transit in your 6th house. Your old debts will be clear. If you are willing to take any loan, your loan will be quick. You will get support from higher authority. You will be blessed with a lot of financial gains. Your money matters will be better. Your health will be fine. Your all old debts will be clear. You will be a part of a new business, a new source of earning will develop. Some foreign activities will make you happy, Sagittarius. This whole time, if you are unemployed, you will get job. Your source of earning will develop. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. This whole time, Sun transit in your Pancham Bhav in the 5th house. You will be blessed with some unexpected money from stock market, or your old investment will give you very fruitful result. This whole time, because Sun transit in your 5th house with Venus, Mercury and Rahu, some unexpected gains are there. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy very good time with your spouse, with your family, with your friends. You will blessed with a lot of gains and you are feeling much relaxed and comfort. This is a very positive time, will start from 14th May to next 30 days. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants 4th house, Venus, Mercury and Sun Rahu transit. You need to be careful while talking with your mother, or your mother health will be a matter of concern. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse, or health of your spouse or health of your mother will be a matter of concern. Domestic atmosphere is not very promising. Some unnecessary hurdles will arise. You are not in a comfort zone. You are feeling very low or depressed. You may bear some losses. This is not very fruitful transit for you. You need to be careful while investing your money. You need to be careful while spending your money. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. Sun transit in your 3rd house, which is very fruitful transit for you. You will get a lot of gains through short journeys. Your confidence level will be sky high. You will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity, respect, honor, regards from your colleagues, from your seniors. If you are a businessman, you will be blessed with a lot of gains. You become very spiritual. This whole time from 14th May to next 30 days, you will be sky high. Your confidence level create magic at your workplace and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your neighbors or your friends or your siblings will support you. I am praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.